With all the things going on in the world today, I bet you've been thinking about maybe getting an emergency kit. You start by asking yourself the three questions. Who's this for? How long do you want to be prepared for? Are you going to buy a kit or make a kit? For the purposes of this video, I'm making a 6-day, one-person kit. To prepare, I bought a box of 6 one-gallon bottles of water. They stack really easy, small footprint. I decided I'm going to go with the freeze-dried food entree pouches and supplement those items with items that I purchased from my grocery store. The freeze-dried food will last up to 25 years, and the supplemental items will last at least a year if I store it properly. Since I decided to go the freeze-dried food entree pouch route, I'm going to need some hardware for this. Measuring cup, saucepan, propane stove, propane, forks and spoons, disposable cups. Next, the emergency first aid kit. I decided to go with a 312-piece first aid kit, and I supplemented that with this bag of items the kit was lacking in. First thing I'm going to add is a nice tarp, then some duct tape, some plastic sheeting, a pry bar, memo pad, matches, Sharpie, pen, knife, a radio, flashlights, batteries, some rope, and a water jug. Hand warmer, glow sticks, KN95 mouse, flashlight, some extra batteries, whistle, emergency blanket, emergency poncho, a pair of leather cuff gloves. I also added a toiletry kit to my personal kit. Toilet bowl liners, 2 packs of Kleenex, soap and a rag, a comb, combination toothbrush, toothpaste, baby wipes, and 2 packs of hand wipes. I recommend that you put all your smaller items in Ziploc bags. This way, it's going to be more organized. So this is everything for a 6-day kit for one person. Now, what am I going to put it in? A 27-gallon tote. So there you go, a kit for 6 days for one adult, plus my water. Now, with these things, I want to store this in a cool, dry, dark place. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any comments or suggestions, I'd love to hear them and read about them. Thanks for watching. I hope you have an awesome day, and don't forget to subscribe.